Okay, so I guess there was one more from 6-2. It was the try these C that I did not do in class. We did the check your understanding problems instead. So I apologize that I cut that last video off. So simplify without negative exponents. Okay, so if I simplified this and ignored the without negative exponent part, I would just subtract the numerator, subtract denominator exponents. So I would have 4 minus 8, and that would give me a negative 4. Okay, and then I can go ahead and change it into the form without a negative exponent. That means if it's negative, it has to change its position and go to the denominator. All right, because remember, if anything can be over 1, means it's in the numerator right now, even though we're not writing it as a fraction. Okay, so let's do the same thing here with 10. I have 10 to the 12th minus 15. That gives me 10 to the negative 3. Okay, so if it's negative, right now it's in the numerator, right? I need to move it to the denominator to get rid of its negative sign so that it is equal, but yet doesn't have a negative exponent. Now, C, we did one like C. It has has 2 different bases, so it means I kind of have like 2 different problems here, right? I have to do them separately and then kind of squish them back together again. So I'm going to do 4 first. So 4 to the negative 2 minus 3 is 4 to the negative 5th power. I'm going to leave that one alone right now, and I'm going to go to 5. So 5 to the 7th minus negative 2. Remember, when I have negatives next to each other, that's like addition. So that is 7 plus 2, which equals 5 to the 9th power. Now, if I put those next to each other, 4 to the negative 5th times, start over. Let me scroll up here a little bit. 4 to the negative 5th times 5 to the 9th. There, that's better. This is actually a good answer, except I'm not following the rest of the directions that say without negative exponents. That's the super important part here, because otherwise I'm leaving an incomplete answer. The only thing that has to change is this one's in the numerator, it's positive, we're good to go. This one is in the numerator, but it's negative, so I got to switch it. Okay, so that means my one that's positive can stay. The one that's negative needs to go to the denominator to become positive. All right, and then that's my final answer. All right, and now I'm going to just double check really quick that I did all the 6-2 practice. I did. Okay, I will see you in class.